Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I'm respect the first lecturer in ICT and English education, namely Mr. Hilman MPD. And next, just introduce myself. My name is Kalis Karyanti, from the English Language Education Department, Tarbiyah and Teacher Training Faculty. Here, I will explain a little about this discussion is about the role of ICT in education, the benefit of ICT in education, the third type of software, the four application used, the five video view. The next development of digital teaching material. Okay, the first one is the role of in ICT in education. The role of ICT in education is multifaceted, contributing to both the learning process and the broader educational system. Here are the key roles ICT plays in education. The first enhance access to educational research. ICT enable access to vast amount of information and educational search online, including academic journals, tutorial, and virtual learning environments, making education more accessible and inclusive. Nah, the third, facilitation of remote and flexible learning with tools like online learning platforms, video conferencing, and virtual classroom. ICT allow students to learn from anywhere, anytime, and any their own pitch. And next, improvement in teaching method. ICT provide the teacher with innovative tools such interactive with the board educational software to make lesson more engaging, interactive, and effective. The next support for collaborative learning. ICT facilitates communication and collaborative among student and teacher through online forum and cloud-based application, promoting toward and peer-to-peer learning. Okay, the next material, the benefit of ICT or information and communication technology in education are numerous and transformative. Here are some key benefits. The first, enhanced learning experience in ICT makes learning more engaging and interactive through multimedia presentation, educational games, and simulation. These tools help is better understanding of complex concept and makes learning more enjoyable. The second, access to a wide range of research. Student and teacher can access a vast array to research, including ebooks, research paper, video, and online course, which can enrich the learning experience beyond traditional textbooks. The third, improve communicational and collaboration in ICT tools like email, chat, and video conferencing enable better communication between teacher and student. It also in facilitation collaborative among student through collaborative tools and platforms, regardless of geographical location. Okay, next material type of software. In United Kingdom language learning, there are several types of software in ICT that can be used to help improve language skill. Here are some commonly used type of software. The first, language learning software, for example, Rosetta Stone, Babel. The second,
pronunciation software, for example, ELCA Speak and Speeching. The next, grammar and writing software, for example, Grammarly, Ginger Hemingway Editor. And the next, digital dictionary software, for example, Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, Merriam-Webster, and word reference. And the next, speaks reconstruction software, for example, Google Speech to Text, Dragon Naturally Speaking. This type of software can be used by both student and teacher to support various aspects to United Kingdom language learning, including speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Okay, next material. There are many application used in ICT or information and communication technology to support education in various aspects. Here are some popular applications used in education, including the first, classroom and learning management application. For example, such as Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams for educational model and model. The second is learning apps and online course, for example, such as Coursera, Udemy, edX, Khan Academic, and next, collaboration and communication application Zoom, Google Meet. The next, interactive learning apps, Kahoot, an interactive quiz. Apps to create engaging and interactive learning quiz. Quizlet, a platform for creating digital flashcards and interactive exercise for a wide range of lesson topics. The next, digital library and reference application. For example, Google Scholar, Zotero, Mendeley, and Mendeley.
Ini dia tutorial cara pakai AI di Notion. Yang pertama, kamu harus punya aplikasi Notion yang bisa kamu download di App Store atau Play Store. Nah, kalau udah masuk aplikasinya, klik tanda plus di pojok kanan bawah untuk menambahkan page atau halaman baru. Klik tab Here to continue. Lalu kamu klik tombol berbentuk kilauan warna ungu khusus untuk menggunakan AI. Nah, AI ini bukan cuma bisa untuk kerjain tugas loh ya. Nih, contohnya kita cari template surat lamaran. Terus klik enter dan kamu tunggu 1 kali 24 jam. Enggak canda. Nah, jadikan template surat lamaran yang bisa kamu sesuaikan. Oh iya, kamu jangan khawatir. Kalau kamu ketik template surat lamaran lagi, bakal muncul versi yang lain loh.
Jadi gimana? Bermanfaat bukan? Jangan lupa
Okay,
follow up.
so the way to use AI is actually easy. It's just that each person has a different way of using it. Some use ChatGPT or other AI application. Okay, next. Developing digital teaching material involves creating educational content that leverage digital tools and platforms to enhance learning experience. Here, step by step, go to the process. The first, need analysis and planning. Identify learning objective, clearly define what students should be able to do after using the material. Next, understand your audience. Consider the age, level of knowledge, learning style, and technological access. Next, choose the right format. Options include e-books, video interactive module, quizzer, and or a combination. The second, content creation. Identify learning objective. Clearly define what students will be able to do after using the material. The next, understand your audience. Consider their age, level of knowledge, learning style, of knowledge access. Next, interactive elements, quiz and assessment, including format assessment, like quiz, draft, and draw activities, and multiple choice question to check understanding, simulation and animation, use animation or simulation to demonstrate complex contents. Next, discussion forum, integrate discussion board for student interaction and peer learning. Okay, maybe enough from me. Sorry and thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.